Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what I'd call the best productivity boost mechanical keyboard with tactile feedback you can get right now. The Logitech G413 SE. If you're someone who wants a no-nonsense, premium experience for both work and play, you're going to want to hear this. Let's talk design first. Right out of the box, the G413 SE feels solid. It features a brushed aluminum magnesium alloy top case that not only looks sleek but also reinforces the build, reducing flex and giving you a sturdy typing platform. The black finish with white LED lighting offers a clean, professional aesthetic that fits just as well in a minimalist workspace as it does in a high-performance gaming setup. Now, what makes this keyboard a true productivity booster is its tactile mechanical switches. Each keystroke feels deliberate. You get that satisfying bump without the excessive noise. Whether you're grinding out a long report or getting deep into a game, the tactile feedback keeps you engaged and accurate. Speaking of accuracy, Logitech didn't cut corners here. The G413 SE is equipped with 6-key rollover and anti-ghosting tech. That means you can press multiple keys simultaneously and still have every input register, no missed commands, no frustration. For fast typists or gamers who rely on rapid keystrokes, this is a major win. Let's not forget the keycaps. Logitech has opted for PBT keycaps, which are more durable and resistant to heat and wear than standard ABS. Over time, they hold up better. No shine, no fading legends, just consistent performance. It's a small detail that makes a big difference in long-term use. There are also dedicated function keys that give you quick control over volume, media playback, lighting, and even Windows lock, all through the FN key shortcuts. These additions may seem subtle, but when you're in the flow of work or play, they're incredibly useful. Although this version is full-sized with a numpad, Logitech also offers a 10-keyless version if you prefer a more compact layout. But for those who regularly work with numbers or just like having that extra real estate, the full-size G413 SE strikes a great balance between function and form. Compatibility is smooth too. It works with both Windows and macOS systems via USB. So whether you're editing videos on a Mac or gaming on a Windows PC, it plugs in and just works. To wrap it up, the Logitech G413 SE is more than just a gaming keyboard. It's a tactile, durable, and thoughtfully designed piece of hardware that enhances productivity without the gimmicks. Whether you're clocking in hours of work or unwinding with a game at the end of the day, this keyboard supports you every step of the way. That's it for today's breakdown. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss an honest review. This is Product Critique. See you in the next one.